Hello, on this video I want to show you how to use the model to pass data from one view to the controller, then to another view. So from our past videos, this is what we have so far. And now I want to pass some data right here from the index page using the model, sending to the controller, and then from the controller, we're going to send it to the page 2. And here's the project from the last video. So let's go to the index and I'm going to create a form right here. And this form I'm going to call the ASP.action, and the action is the action that I want to call, which in this case is page 2, and then the method is post. And inside the form is where I'm going to create the text box and also a submit button to send the data up. Now, instead of creating the regular text box right here, I'm going to create a model to send this data. If you look right here in the Solution Explorer, there's a folder called Models. So I'm going to right click on the folder and then add a class. I'm going to name this class Person Model. This class is a simple class, and what we need here is just a series of properties. So I'm going to type prop and then click tab twice, and then Visual Studio creates the property for me. The first property is going to be a string and username, and I'm going to have another property. So you can have as many properties as you want. I only have 2 in this case. Alright, so I'm done with the model. I'm going to go back to my index. So now I need a way for this view to be able to see the model. So for that, I'm going to include the razor tag here and then model with lowercase, the name of your project dot models dot the person model. And then right here inside the form, now I can actually add the input. So I'm just going to put a label for now. And this label is going to be for name. And then here I'm going to create the input. And now in this input, I'm going to put the ASP-4. And then I'm going to press the Control and then space of my keyboard. And then I'm going to put username. So this property in here is actually coming from the person model. And I'm going to do the same thing now, but with the city. And instead of username, again, press the Control and the space bar of your keyboard and then the city. And then finally I have my submit button. And then once I click on this submit button, it sends the model to the controller. So now let's take a look on the controller. So here in the controller, there is a model coming to the page 2. So we need a way to receive this, and we receive this as a parameter. So right here, I'm going to put person model PM, and that receives the person model as a parameter. And then at this point here, you have the person model, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. But I'm just going to choose to pass it down to the page 2 view. So in order for me to pass it, the person model to the page 2 view, I just go here in the return view and I just pass the object. And now the last part is for us to go to the page 2 view and then just display the value. So I'm going to go to the page 2 view. And again, this view does not understand what the person model is yet. So because of that, we need to add the model, person model. And now I can actually display something here. And then I'm going to use the razor tag and model with capital M this time, dots, and then I'm going to display the username. And then And I'm gonna put another break here just to make it a little bit better organized. Now I'm gonna run this program. So here name, I'm gonna put sun, city, flower. Now if I click on submit, it goes to the controller, and then from the controller it gets passed down to the page 2. Now the banana is the view bag that we had before. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. This is easy and you can do it.